Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thanks to the mercy of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, can finish narrative text untitled out friends on time. The goals in writing this script is to meet a task given by Master Muhammad Zali Rinaldi SPD as a teacher in English subject. In writing this manuscript, readers get money challenge. The reader also realizes there are still many mistakes in the process of writing this manuscript. Then the author helps criticism from readers can help the author in perfect script. Hopefully, this script can be a little helpful reader to gain more knowledge about storytelling. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. No pain, no gain is the third part of our storytelling series. You can read the first part here of children's cassettes and cave paintings and the second part here. Story are not children stuff. A fault of advertising. Stories are great. We know that now. They touch us and it is difficult to ignore them. Furthermore, information that is conveyed through a story is better remembered. But how can this fact be used for business? How can what is expressed of in a book or film help our marketing to take off? First of all, you have to realize that we are constantly surrounded by advertising in our everyday life. We are literally bombarded with it. Poster, TV ads, radio ads, search engine ads, newspaper ads, up, up on the internet. Somebody want to see us something everywhere and at on time. But it don't have to be aggressive, superficial advertising. Products with prominently placed company names also influence as and elf their impression in our brains. Attract attention at any price. This influence of advertising lends the of what they actually wanted to achieve, a flood of stimuli. Classic advertising hardly interests anyone anymore. This poses an essential question for companies. How can and still stand out from the hawk among of advertising? Marketing based on storytelling should help us to do just that, and that's by picking up the customer at his problem. Pick up the customer via pain closely related to this in the keyword pain or conflict. Conflict is practically the most important component of storytelling. As the linchpin of the whole story, it is responsible for the fact that there is a story at all. Every hero in every story has a problem because without a problem the story won't be exciting. The conflict can be very clear and superficial, as is the case with fairy tales. Of example, Hansel and Gretel suddenly had powerful difficulties when they got lost in the forest and meet the witch. Cinderella pain was certainly her mother-in-law, who treated her like a self and turned her into all kind of housework. But a canned flash can also be more subtle. Either way, pain helps your client in the TV with the hero of the story because he has exactly the same problem. as the hero in the story, and that is behind the statement that we can to pick up the customer with his problem. The readers understand his hero and his difficulties, feel sympathy or even pity for him. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.